Alright guys, so we are just getting ready to pick up the suspension for our Gladiator. We're here at Icon Vehicle Dynamics. We're going to be the second people with suspension on a JT here, so we're super excited to pick it up. So let's go in and see what they got in store for us. So in this video, we're going to go over all of the tires, wheels, suspension, and steering components that we are doing to upgrade the Jeep Gladiator. Now we started with this suspension, so when we were at Icon, we met up with Scott, who helped us load all of the goodies into the bed of the Gladiator and then gave us a rundown of what we have. So both in the front and the rear, we have the 2.5-inch diameter shocks, remote reservoirs in the front, piggybacks in the rear, and they both have the CDC valve so that we can control the compression dampening to really fine-tune the best ride quality that we have, whether on the highway or rock crawling or anything in between. Now in the front, we also have 2.5-inch lift coils and the hydraulic bump stop kit. Now in the rear is the really cool new prototype stuff that we have from Icon. It is their completely brand new billet aluminum upper and lower links that are fully adjustable. And let me tell you, these things are super high quality. You can see them right here. And so this is all of the good stuff that we got from Icon Vehicle Dynamics. Now we also got a bunch of Steer Smart steering components that's really going to help improve the ride quality, but we'll get to that a little later on in the video. We are with our friends at Rebel Off-Road today, and the day has finally come for us to install all of the suspension, steering components, and tires and wheels on our KC Gladiator back there that's already up on the lift and being worked on by Brandon. So since Brandon's already gotten started on the Gladiator, let's go see what he's up to and enjoy the video. So while we were at Rebel Off-Road, we also installed a bunch of Steer Smart steering components. We installed the Yeti XD sway bar end links that are just incredibly beefy. Now we also installed that bright red Yeti XD adjustable front track bar, some drag links, and tie rods. And let me tell you, this stuff is beefy. I swear that red track bar is as thick as my wrist, and this stuff is absolutely going to ensure that we have no steering issues with the lift and the 37-inch tires that we are installing here today. And now, of course, for the cherry on top, the tires and the wheels that we are going with. As you can see, we chose some beautiful Fuel Enduro wheels. They have that really nice classic round look that we are all about here at KC. And of course, we wrapped them in some BF Goodrich KM3s in a 37-inch tall tire. These things are really beefy, they really look the part, and they are also going to help increase our off-road prowess quite a bit. So we are really excited to get out and test everything out. So we had to just wrap everything up, reinstall some skid plates here, and then it was time to take the brand new Jeep Gladiator out and stretch its legs. All right guys, so Daniel and I are out here. We're in Silverado Canyon, which is just outside of Rebel Off-Road. As you can see, we just finished up the Gladiator yesterday. So of course today is Saturday. We had to take it out and we had to take it for a test drive. So far, we're loving the way it rides. I forgot our power tank, so we did not air down the tires just because we have about a 40-mile drive on the highway back to the office. So we didn't want to deal with that. But aside from not airing down the new BFGs, everything is absolutely running in tip-top shape. The Steer Smart steering components feel amazing. Icon suspension feels amazing. I really do think that the look of the fuel wheels and the BFG tires looks really good on there. So we're super stoked with how everything turned out so far. So I know it may not seem like a lot, but if we all pitch in and clean all of the trash that we find on the trails, it does two things for us. The first thing is that it helps us maintain the natural beauty of the area, but then the second and really important thing is that it helps keep the trails that we love open for all of us to be able to enjoy. So when we're out here, if you see any trash on the trail, just do your part, pick it up, throw it in the bed of the truck, throw it away when you get home. Freaking people leaving their shit everywhere. Okay.